Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to adjust car mirrors in 2 minutes. I'm going to keep this short and sweet, and I'm going to try and keep the driving lesson to about 2 minutes. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into the video. There are 3 mirrors that need to be adjusted in most cars. You have a rear view mirror and you have 2 side mirrors. Now let's start off with the rear view mirror. Adjusting this is actually fairly simple. In the majority of cars, you're just going to take the mirror. Sorry about that. You're going to take the mirror and you're going to actually use your hand to move it. So as you can see right here, I can actually move the mirror just like that with my hand. And what you want to do is you want to get into your driving position and you want to look at the rear view mirror and you want to try and position it so that it can perfectly allow you to see out of the rear windshield. Just as you can see right there, it is allowing me to see out of as much of the rear windshield as I can. So adjust your rear view mirror so that you can see out of the rear windshield. Now for your side mirrors, the process is also similar, except you're either going to have a manual adjustment knob or you're going to have a powered adjustment knob like this. You can choose to adjust the left or the right mirror, and obviously choose the mirror and then use the arrows to adjust it. Now I'm just going to mess this up just to sort of get it all out of place. So I've just messed it up. I've moved it out of the way. What you want to do is you want to adjust the mirror so that it shows you first and foremost the horizon right there. So you want to be able to see down the road behind you, and then you don't want to see too much of your car because that's a waste of mirror. You don't really need to see a lot of your car. You just want to see the bare minimum of your car. So adjust it outwards like that so that you basically have just this little bit of the rear of your car showing. And you can also see the horizon. Now also, all of this space up here is wasted because I don't need to see that much of the sky. We can just bring it down just a bit and out. So as you can see right here, we can see the horizon line. I'll roll this window down just to give you a better view. We can see the horizon line right over there. There's the end of the road that we can see. And also we can see just a little bit of the car. And that's basically it. That is, you do the same thing obviously with the passenger side mirror. That's basically it. That is how to adjust your car mirrors in about 2 minutes. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.